When every second counts, Avlite's military solutions emerge as the standard for safe and expedient solutions. Imagine an entire 10,000-foot airfield lighting package deployable in less than a day. This isn't just a solution, it's a revolution. Gone are the days of tedious traditional setups. With Avlite, what used to take days now takes hours. A single trailer contains all the elements to deploy a 5,000-foot runway, ready to light up at a moment's notice. Globally trusted for more than 18 years, we provide a proven reputation for products engineered to support defense, government, and relief operations.